You've mentioned domestic battery. From my understanding, does there have to be an arrest made on every domestic violence call? Attorney Brian Geno explains, yes, but sometimes if the police are not convinced that any real violence has happened, then what they'll do is they'll send one of the people, usually the husband, away for a day and the next day. They'll order them to stay away from the house and they won't arrest them. If they see injuries or they see damage to property that they can attribute to one of the parties, then that person is more likely to be arrested. I would say it mostly happens to the men. They get arrested more often. What I have to do before is I've had to defend men who have been charged with a crime because their spouses or significant others have been playing the victim, trying to get them arrested, and using that as a way to really punish them. Don't get me wrong, domestic violence really happens and it's very serious. I'm not downplaying it, but it's not always what it seems. I had an interview just the other day with a potential client whose girlfriend was mad at him for the way he talked to her mother. So the girlfriend called the police and said she had been abused. The man was ultimately arrested even though he didn't do what she said. We're going to have to bring witnesses in who saw everything and know that it was just made up. It's like the criminal suspect was really the victim. For more information and a free phone consultation, contact Geno Law Firm at 703-691-4366 or visit them on the web at genolaw.com.